Talking at the general store. I would like 2 soaps. Which one? Give me 2 Lux soaps. How much does that cost? $3. Why that much? There's an offer so that it must cost $2. Okay, pay that much. Anything else, madame? Give me refined 1 kilogram pack and toothpaste. How much does that cost? Refined is for $6. Which toothpaste do you prefer? Refined is for $5 only and you are charging $6. Okay, which toothpaste do you prefer? Will you give me the German check? And this time, let me remind you that it costs $2. But the rate is revised now and it costs $3. You can see it printed. All right, what is the total? The total is $10. Okay, take this and return me the change. Here is your balance, madame. Thank you for your visit. Thank you. Talking to the class teacher of your child. Good afternoon, Mrs. Gould. I am Lena, Mary's mother. Mary told me that you wanted to see me? Yes, Mrs. Lena, please take your seat. I think you must have seen Mary's progress report for this periodical test. Yes, Mrs. Gould, she is not doing well on her tests. But she is not responding at all in the classroom either. It seems that she is not getting what is taught. I have also noticed that she is getting weaker day by day. Then you must take her to a doctor. Yes, I was also planning the same. Actually, I couldn't manage my time from the last few weeks, but now I'll take her due care and will visit a doctor tomorrow. Yes, she requires a thorough physical checkup. Besides, she also needs coaching on English and math. I will take necessary care as per your instructions. Please do that. Mary is an intelligent and well-behaved girl of our school. I will try my best. Thank you very much, Mrs. Gould. Please keep me informed about her progress. Yes, of course. Okay, bye, Mrs. Gould. Talk to the shopkeeper of the toy shop for a robot toy. What do you want? I would like a robot, please. Here you are. The robot is green and red. It's very small. Yes, it is. How much is it? It is for 100 rupees only. Talk to your friend and tell him or her your name. Hello, I am George. Hello, I am Kelly. Talk to your friend for lending a colored pencil. Please lend me a colored pencil. Which one? The short red one. Here, take it. Thank you.